Welcome to Tuesday's Tips from So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today I'd like to share a tip about a product that I like to use. It is from the Magic Company, and it is Quilting Crafting Fabric Fresh. Now, this is a spray. It has a very, very light scent, almost no scent at all, and a very, very soft spray. And it does two things. One thing it does is helps eliminate wrinkles. So you're going to be able to spray this on a product that you cannot iron at the time or you've run out of time to iron. You're going to spray it in and just smooth it very softly with your hands. And it's going to help take some of those wrinkles out of your clothing. It's definitely great for a man's suit if you haven't had time to press those knees from the hangers. And another thing it's good for is eliminating odors. Now, there are some things we can wash and there are some things we cannot wash. Sometimes we just didn't get to it in time, and that's where this comes in handy. So I'm going to share some of the things that I like to use it for. The first thing is sleeping bags. Now, sleeping bags, of course, can be washed, but it is a lot easier just to spray them and let them air out. And because of that soft scent, it's so nice to crawl into those sleeping bags afterwards. Duvets. Now, I cannot wash this duvet, and I put it away for the summer. So when winter comes, it's nice just to give that a little fresh spray, and it's nice and fresh for my winter. With Christmas coming, I do like to pull out my Christmas quilts. And I have quite a few Christmas quilts around the house. So I'm going to be able to spray them. Now, if you want to test your spray first, just spray the back in a little area and see what happens. But I've never had a problem with it. But you can spray this, give it a little fluff. It helps take out the wrinkles, and well, it's nice and fresh for that season. My decorative tree skirts, it works good for, and it's also great for my suit jackets. I love wearing suit jackets. I have a great collection of them, and not all of them can be machine washed. So sometimes I need to go into the insides and just give that a little bit of a spray, and then it's nice and fresh for the next day. There's also times when you have things in the closet, you'll get that fold over or that wrinkle in the area here of the collars. Well, you can spray that and smooth it down. Another spot that I get the wrinkles in is from the corner of my hangers. My shirts sort of have these football arms coming out, and I could spray that area and just tap it down right while I'm wearing the shirt, and it takes that wrinkle out. Another thing I like to use the spray for is Halloween costumes. Now, some of them can be washed, and some of the things that I make cannot be washed. So after a year, if it's sitting in the closet, it's nice to give it that nice, fresh spray. I do suit jackets, but I also like to spray my winter coats. I do like to spray that inside so that it's nice and fresh, and the outside so it's good for the year coming up. The other thing I like to use the spray for is my decorative pillows. This is a hand wash only pillow. Now, I could just hand wash it, but it's not dirty, but it has been in the closet for a couple of months. So this is a nice time to give it that nice fresh spray. To describe the smell of the spray, it's sort of like a nice fresh laundry. Not overpowering, just a very light spray. It's great for your couch, rugs. I've used it for a lot of different things. Not only for the wrinkles, but for that nice fresh scent. Oh, and by the way, I have used it on my curtains after I've cooked fish in my kitchen. So I just thought I would share this little tip with you on things to use this spray with. It's sort of my secret weapon to keeping things smelling nice and clean. And it takes out the wrinkles too. Thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and I have a newsletter. It's all free under So Very Easy. Be sure to make every day a so-tacular day. Bye for now.